chart, cardboard, scissors, glue, markers, scale, and a face shield. So let us start making. Take a piece of cardboard and take a piece of chart and stick the chart to the cardboard with some glue. So we have sticked the chart to the cardboard like this. And now take a face shield and cut like this. Now we have cutted the face shield. And now pour some glue on the face shield. And now take a scale and spread the glue over the face shield. Now we have spread the glue over the face shield. Now let us stick this face shield on the chart. Now we almost finished the magic slate. And now it's time to decorate your magic slate with your favorite colors. Now let it dry completely. Then the glue on the face shield will not visible. We have completed coloring.